Farscape Engineers Inspector Summary Video. The owner of the building is actually going to now release. Must be single action requiring no special knowledge. And so it's got the chain. There's also another release down here, but go ahead, show me how you would watch out.
That's what he said was not functioning.
Okay. Yeah, so it's coming down. Yeah, just push the ladder forward, and you'll see that that's.
There's another lock on it.
Oh, the whole system is busted out. The whole ladder system already snapped away. Do you understand? The rail is already snapped away. Do you understand? The rail is in the way, though.
Yeah.
Do you see?
I see it.
Okay, be careful. And you can just leave it. You know, actually, just go put it back. I'm going to show you another thing. This it's already snapped down below. So.
I see it. So just put it back.
Yeah, just put it back the way you have it, and just go back up. Because it's going to need some emergency repair just to get it functional again. Because right now we'll probably inspect either from below, or we'll go up there and do the inspection from up above. Okay. You don't have to do that. Just leave that off. I would leave that off because there's no way for a fireman to get up there and do what you're doing. But that's okay. If you're having a break-in issue, just leave it the way it is. All right, and we're probably gonna have to go up there and do an inspection from above. All right, so Inspector Demers, can you tell me some of the things you're finding?
Yeah, right away, all original hardware.
All original hardware, yeah.
Structural damage down below.
Okay, let's start down here then. The ladder and the rail has actually popped off itself, so the rail's already off the corner here, right?
Yep.
So the rail's not even on the corner anymore, and it's interfering with the flow of the ladder. The ladder itself has been bent from severe trauma. And what else we got? So this is a welded connection. This shows you exactly what happens when welds, you let welds rust from the inside out. So you can actually see the line of the weld. You see the line of the weld?
Yep.
But all of a sudden it snaps. So there's actually nothing holding this staircase up right now, correct?
That's correct.
And look straight up into the connection of the weld right there. You see all the rust inside that connection?
Yes.
So that tells you that this right now, the only thing holding up this whole entire staircase is this platform here. So this bracket, and the bracket's already compromised. It's already fallen off. So the only strength it has, which is that diagonal, is not only disconnected at the bottom, it's no longer connected at the top. A ladder that won't come down, so it's not functional. Now talk about the cast iron. See the cast iron on number 2 and number 3?
Yes, all cracked.
Now that usually happens from rust jacking and ice jacking, correct?
Yes.
So as soon as you have a situation where you've got some rust getting in there, the rust will just snap anything that's a cast piece. So that's evidence that there's rust. That one's gone. The next one, 2 or 3 up, is another one that's gone and cracked. So that's one of the reasons why they don't use castings anymore. That one straight up is gone. You see that one?
Yep.
So you need to change all the treads, but we have some treads here that are ready to go. Correct?
Yes.
Is that a magnet holding up one of the? Is that a magnet holding up one of the treads? Right there, see a donut magnet up there?
I don't know what that is.
Straight ahead.
I see what you're looking at.
That's a donut magnet.
It looks like it's.
Yeah, we got some treads ready to drop here. All right, let's take a look. So all original hardware on the treads. Let's take a look up there, Steve. It's got a little bit of a tilt, right?
Yes.
She's coming away from the building.
Yep.
But it's all welded connections, right? So those all need to be done. Any of the bottoms shot? Definitely pulled away from the building.
On this side here.
Yeah.
Same as the bottom.
The bottom's gone too. There it is. Yeah, we shoot that. So the bottom's already separated out. So that the top of the stair and the bottom of the stair are unsupported. So this thing's ready to come down. All right, all original hardware needs a paint job. So it's not ready for a load test. And she just needs to be refurbished. And then the tie backs into the building need to be verified from the inside, or we can just do a new connection. This is a masonry block wall, most likely a masonry wall inside, so we can either do a pull test on that, or we can just 5 inches away, we can put another epoxy bolt on this one. You agree?
Yes.
All the railings, it's just original hardware. The ladder system is what we don't like, and this is because they fold out and they smash. So depending who's coming around or who's underneath, should that ladder come down because of wind, because of anything, it could hurt somebody down below. These ladders can be affixed and put it straight down so that you jump 7 to 9 feet off the ground. You can put it to one side. You can also put a little platform here. Usually these have a little bit of a platform, and you can put the ladder here and make it so that it drops down and guillotines straight down. These fold outs, and at the discretion of the building official, if they can cause any harm, they need to be modified so that they're more of a permanent. And usually it's 7 to 9 feet off the ground, you can jump to the ground. And I would do that with this one. I would create a little bit of a platform here, and then put a ladder right there. But then the last rung is 7 to 9 feet off the ground, you just jump in this soft dirt right below. Okay, do you have any other questions or any other observations that you see on this one?
No.
Okay, does have live safety issues?
Yes.
And that is this entire staircase is unsupported because it's already broken down here, and up there has the same issue. So it's the platform and the staircase is unsupported at this present time. Should have nobody on it. Okay, any questions? Farescape Engineers, Inspector Summary Video, Inspector Meneses, Inspector Demers. Bye.